we've been through this enough. We've got this. We're gonna play a game to see if we can agree on some of the common mistakes made when buying a home. So let's go. What's the biggest mistake people make when buying a home?
Okay, I'm ready.
Ready?
Yeah, let's see.
Not getting a home inspection.
Oh, that's a good one. I put they don't have a contingency budget.
Yes, getting caught up in the moment is a huge mistake, and it happens all the time.
It does. So it's so important to take the time to do your homework. You should know what you can afford before you shop, and then take the time to research locations. RBC has some really great tools to help you kickstart the process. With the True House Affordability Tool, you can pre-qualify for your mortgage in just 60 seconds.
Once you know what you can afford, you can use the Neighborhood Explorer tool to find the perfect neighborhoods that match exactly what you're looking for. Do you want to be near a school, transit, restaurants, or out in the forest?
And when you find that perfect property, don't rush in. This is a major purchasing decision, so make sure to always get a home inspection.
Good answer. All right, the next question is directed at us.
Uh-oh.
What's the biggest mistake we've made buying a home?
Yeah, this is a doozy.
I know this one. Selling it.
Now that's a good answer.
Oh, rushing into a decision.
Always hard to sell it, especially if you love it.
You remember my first condo in Vancouver?
Yes, I do.
Yeah, and we sold it. And 6 months later, they announced, the Olympics are coming to town. It still hurts a little bit.
Sometimes you have to sell a property. But as Bryan and I do, we often make a decision with our heart and not always with our head.
We do. One of these days, we're going to end up buying a hotel. Anyway, we've learned from our mistakes, that's for sure. The truth is, we mess up so that you don't have to.
It's true.